Hello, everybody. This is Jerry DeMayo from mortgage-zoom.com and Family First Funding. And I'm here today to discuss a program that I've been getting questions about every day. Well, that program is here. It is. The topic for today is Cash Power Program. So let me set the stage for this program. So you're a realtor, you're a home buyer, you've been putting in offer after offer after offer after offer and losing out in multiple offer situations. So this program is designed so that you, the home buyer, or that you, the realtor, can present a cash offer with no contingencies, no mortgage contingency, no appraisal contingency, and close in 30 days as a cash offer. So, but before I get to that, please subscribe to my channel. Please don't be afraid to like the video. And so now I'm going to share the screen and we're going to talk about this program. Okay. Sorry, my screen is jumping around and okay. So let's talk about the guidelines for the Cash Power Program. So first, this is for conventional mortgages only. Must be a conventional mortgage. We will go down to as little as 15% down with a 720 score. With 20% down, we'll go as low as a 660 credit score. So first part here, it says all agency guidelines are required. That means we need to get a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac DU or LP approval on this loan. What types of properties are we willing to do? Single family homes, condos, or PUDs. That means no multifamilies, no investment properties. This is for owner. That was the next topic. Owner occupied, primary residence only. Loan limits are at the conforming and high balance loan limits. So they must be Fannie, Freddie approved price limits. Next, minimum loan amount. We're not doing loan amounts below 150,000. Employment type. So we are requiring that you be a W-2 wage earner. So we're not doing this program for self-employed borrowers. 2-year minimum work history with the same employer, but you see the little asterisk there. We may have some wiggle room on that requirement. As long as we have a solid 2-year work history, we may be okay. Is that it's not with the same employer. Down payment. Gift funds are allowed, but the borrower must have 5% of their own funds. That's right, 5% of their own funds is required. We're also requiring that the borrower put down a minimum of 5% of the purchase price in escrow. So they're going to need to put at least 5% down in escrow. We're requiring that the borrower use a Family First Funding approved title company for this transaction. No new debt. That means once this loan is approved, you can't be opening up any new credit cards, any new debt. We don't want you taking on any new debt after we issue this approval. And secondly, we're charging a 2% origination charge on this program, but we're going to give you 1% back at closing. The Cash Power pre-approval is good for 45 days. So let me unshare the screen. So basically what's happening on these deals is just a scenario. So you go out to look at homes this weekend. We've never spoken before. I've never spoken this borrower before. You call me up this Saturday and you say, Jerry, we want to use this Cash Power program to put an offer in today on this property. The answer is no, you can't. What has to happen is as follows. One is you need to schedule an appointment with me ASAP for either your borrower or the realtor. If you want to meet or talk, you have to schedule an appointment immediately. We need to take a full application without a property. So with a property as TBD, I need your W-2s, I need your pay stubs, I need to run your credit, I need to see your assets, I need to see everything. I need to submit it to underwriting. 48 hours, I'm going to get an approval for this loan. And then we'll be able to do the cash power program for your borrower. So the first step, if you want to be eligible for this program, is I must speak to the borrower. I must take their application. I must get all their documents. I must run this through underwriting. And then when you write up the contract, you're going to write up the sales contract with the borrower's name and Family First Funding's name. And Family First Funding will provide the proof of funds. Our goal is to never really have to close with a cash program. We have every intention of doing the loan for these borrowers and providing the funds, but we are giving you the ability to make a legitimate cash offer on this property with no appraisal, no mortgage contingencies. So, and close in 30 days. So if you have any questions, I'm going to ask that you go to www.mortgage-zoom.com and schedule your one-on-one appointment with me. I'll go over every detail of the program. If you have an office and you want to set up a Zoom call with your team, call me at 732-887-4172 or schedule or send me an email. Most of you have my number, but I'm going to put it in the chat. If you have any questions at all, reach out. This is a program that's in need right now in this market. I look forward to helping you. I'll answer all unanswered questions. And again, this is the Cash Power Program. Next month, another need in this market is we'll be announcing our Buy Before You Sell program, where you're able to put in an offer on a property with no contingency, with no home sale contingency. That product will be out in April, but this is the Cash Power program. I look forward to hearing with you. Again, this is Jerry DeMeo at Family First Funding and mortgage-zoom.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the page. And don't forget to like. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. And we'll see you next week.